Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have the essentials, VS Code and the runtime you need. First, open the project folder and confirm the correct interpreter or runtime in the bottom bar. Once done, open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ and run a simple build or script to produce output. Make sure tasks, JSON or launch. JSON exists when needed. These tell VS Code how to run your code. This immediate action starts the pipeline that will feed output into the debug console or terminal. Next, configure how VS Code builds and runs your app so output appears predictably. You will create or update launch. JSON to define program, args, and console. Integrated terminal or external terminal depending on preference. Once configured, add tasks. JSON to automate compilation and wire a pre-launch task into the debugger. Then select the matching debug configuration in the Run and Debug pane. Press F5 to start. This approach ensures output streams to the right place, and that builds run first. Finish by launching using F5 or Ctrl+F5 and observe where output lands. Integrated terminal shows live std out and supports input. If nothing appears, make sure launch. JSON console is set correctly and that pre-launch task completed successfully. Also verify path and environment variables in the configuration so the runtime is found. If problems persist, restart VS Code and rerun the task. This clears stale processes. One key tip: change console to integrated terminal if internal console.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.